Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom WooCommerce themes. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically here we have this article from Template Toaster. And it shows us that there are two ways on how to create WooCommerce themes. So the first one is to have to code manually our uh, theme, or you can use some template toaster plugins. And basically, here I'm just going to show you on how to have it. So I'm already having the WordPress locally, and you can install the WooCommerce plugin by adding plugins, etc. Now for the WooCommerce theme area, you will need just to start coding manually all the components of the WordPress theme. And simply you can find all these here in the folder, and we can, for example, go to our WordPress. So I'm just going to use this one. This is the WordPress locally here. I'm just going to the application folder, and from here you can find the WordPress here, and we can go to and basically I will just go to the WooCommerce plugin, and from here we can find everything concerning WooCommerce, and those are the CSS, and basically you will find all the styles that you can start using, and also the fonts that you are using, so you can add them here, so you can include them and use them. Also some images that are added to the products, etc. And most of these are added by other plugins in my case, and you can start coding every aspect of your theme. And as we said, or we can start using the templates toaster. So simply we can go to the plugins, and after that we can just go to add new plugin and use templates toaster, and we can start using these plugins so it can help you to start using creating templates. So you can either use Elementor or starter templates. You can have a shop builder or any theme builder, or you can simply just type theme builder if you would like, and you will have many plugins that will allow you to do that. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.